Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox the 251M Leap. It's time to open. Okay, that's the plastic. Okay, it's time to open it. Okay, so I have the spring things now. Let's see one in real life. Got this. Okay. The bag. The instructions. And the screwdriver. Okay, I'm putting the screwdriver back in. The 251M series one back in. The bag have 3 on it. Okay, today I'm going to also compare the unboxings with others. I also have this. This is the cube. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the 251M Leap. Wow, very smooth. Okay. Is this the same as the other? I think it's the Mini M Pro box, I think. Okay, let's see how fast I can solve this. It's actually quite smooth. People said it's harder magnet. It's like, it does not feel like harder magnets. Like literally, this is, I don't know why. Okay, it's time to scramble it. Oh wait, I do feel the stronger magnet. Let's see inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me inspect it. Just beware, I'm not really a professional keeps rambler. Okay. 12 seconds? That's pretty fast. Oh yeah, I do feel the stronger magnet. It's pretty good. Let's see the corner cutting. I can't even feel the. If I said it, I can't even do the corner cut. Ugh, this box was less good than I expected. Actually, now it's more loose. Yo! Okay, next. I know I already unboxed this, but we're gonna have to compare the unboxing. Okay, the Gen 12 maglev. Firstly, we have the card, of course. I threw away the manuals and stuff, so you won't see them. The bag and okay, yeah. It's time to put this back before I make a whole mess. I'll put this in here. And there. And the leap. Okay. How do you even put back this box? This is like the worst box. Okay, now it's time for the cube. Okay, this is a 3x3, so don't judge me of how fast I can. Oh my god, I almost forgot to scramble it. Luckily, I just remembered, or else this is new. Okay. This is frosted, and then my 2500 UV, and then there's the 15U black. It popped a lot, and then I tightened it, and now it's like stable. So if you pop too much, it's maybe just it's too loose. Right? Are you kidding me? I messed up my salt. That's the reason why I'm late. So don't judge me about how slow I am. I just made a mistake. And I had to fix it. I'm usually faster than this. Okay, it's time to put everything back before I make a mess. Also, I want to see if the 251 box, since it's basically a... So you can take off this thing. Yeah, let's hold the 2x2. Can you fit the 3x3? Yes, you can. Okay, but I'm just putting this back for the 2x2. That's UV coated, by the way. Okay, next up, we have the 15U black, which is my oldest cube so far. So this is my first unboxing. Okay, the first unboxing. So we just got the card. Okay, it's a bit dirty. Okay, we got the adjustment tool. And then you're probably wondering why there's 1/4 magnet. You don't want to ask. Just put that back in there so I don't make a mess. And then of course there's a bag, and here's the manual. Okay, so for the cube. So yeah, I have to tighten it. Okay, I have to remove that. Okay, it's time for a set. Can't complain since it's a really good cube for beginners. My 12 is the 3x3 main, and then I have my 2x2 main, the 251 now. It came. As usual reviews, I cannot solve it like in this, since it's really hard to look and I'll get a bad time. Somehow, like the advanced YouTubers still can do it under there. 51. That's not my average times. Okay. Time to put it back before I also make a mess. My favorite right now, so far, I like. So this is stuff out and then put it back in. Okay. So what do I consider about the Leap? The bad things about it are the boxes. It's like really hard to. It's really fast. 2x2s are really hot resistant. So I'm thinking about it. Okay. Thank you for watching my unboxing. Make sure you be liked and subscribe. Bye-bye.